Now see next question from exercise 7.4. Question number 5th. Maximize z equals to 3x plus 5y subject to x plus 4y less or equals to 24. 3x plus y less or equals to 21, x plus y less or equals to 9, x greater or equals to 0, y greater or equals to 0. Also find maximum value of z. So here objective function is z equals to 3x plus 5y and x plus 4y less or equals to 24, 3x plus y less or equals to 21, x plus y less or equals to 9, x greater or equals to 0, y greater or equals to 0 are constraints. So with the help of these constraints we have to find maximum value of z. So first we draw a lines, and with the help of lines we draw a graph. So first we write the equations from the given inequations. So in solution, first we draw the line A, B, C, D, E, F. So AB from this x plus 4y less or equals to 24. So we write whose equations are for AB x plus 4y equals to 24 from this first constraint. Second equation 3x plus y equals to 21 from this second constraint, that is 3x plus y less or equals to 21, and equation of line EF x plus y equals to 9, which is from this constraint x plus y less or equals to 9 respectively. So we consider here A, B, C, D, E, F are the lines whose equations we write here. Now we have to draw a line. For that we require 2 points on that line. So we find the coordinate of point AB, then coordinate of point CD, and coordinate of point EF of the line AB, CD and EF respectively. So for that we use the table. So in first column we write the line, its name A, B, C, D, E, F. So equation in second column. So equation of AB x plus 4y equals to 24. In third column we write point on the x-axis, and fourth column we write point on y-axis. We know that on x-axis y coordinate is 0, so we take point on x-axis whose y coordinate is 0. So we have to find x coordinate of point A. So when we replace this y by 0 in this equation, we get x equals to 24. So we write coordinate of A as 24, 0. Now we have to find coordinate of point B. Point B lie on y-axis, so its x coordinate is 0. So we substitute x as 0, so we get 4y equals to 24. That means y equals to 6. So we write B of 0, 6. Similarly, point C lie on line CD, and which is also on x coordinate. So we take here y coordinate as 0. So when we replace this y by 0, we get 3x equals to 21. That means x is equals to 7. So we get coordinate of C as 7, 0. Now this point D on y-axis, x coordinate is 0. So we substitute here x as 0, we get y equals to 21. So y equals to 21. So we write coordinate of D as 0, 21. Similarly, we find point on x-axis for the line EF. So here y coordinate is 0 on x-axis. So we substitute this as y as 0. So we get x equals to 9. So coordinate of point E are 9, 0. Then we have to find coordinate of point EF. This point EF on y-axis, x coordinate is 0. So we replace this x by 0. We get y equals to 9. So the coordinate of point EF is 0, 9. So in this way, first we find the coordinate of all the points on the line A, B, C, D, E, F. So with the help of this coordinate, we draw a graph. So this is a required graph. So we see here how to draw this graph. So first we take scale here on both axes, x and y axis. 1 centimeter equals to 3 unit, because we observe here maximum value is 24. So here maximum value is 24, so we have to take scale according to that. So we take here scale 1 centimeter equals to 3 unit. Now we have to draw a line passing through the point AB. So first we have to take the coordinate of point A as 24, 0. So we take point A on x-axis. This point B has coordinate 0, 6. So we take here point B on y-axis. So with the help of this table, we take point A on x-axis whose coordinate 24, 0, point B on y-axis whose coordinate 0, 6. Now we have to draw a line passing through this point AB. So we draw a line passing through this point AB. Then we required feasible region. For that we have to check for any point. We always take origin, because which is convenient for calculating the values or checking the condition. So for first line, x plus 4y equals to 24, in equation is x plus 4y less or equals to 24. So we check the origin, we replace x by 0, y by 0. So 0 plus 0 we get 0, and we know that 0 less than 24. That means this inequation holds for the origin. So we mark toward the origin. So we mark here toward the origin. Now we draw this second line CD, which is passing through the point C and D, having coordinates 7, 0, 0, 21. So 7 is here between 6 and 9. Here is a point C having coordinates 7, 0. So we take point C here, then point D required 0, 21. So this point D on y-axis. So on y-axis we take here point D having coordinate 0, 21. So we draw a line passing through this point CD. Then we have to check the feasible region. So we mark toward the origin again. So with the help of condition, first we check. So this equation 3x plus y equals to 21, take from the inequation 3x plus y less or equals to 21. So we check this inequation, we replace x by 0, y by 0. So we get 0 plus 0, 0, 0 less than 21. That means for this second also condition is satisfied. So again we mark toward the origin. Now we draw a line EF. So line EF pass through the point E and F having coordinate 9, 0, 0, 9. So point E on x-axis. So we take here point E having coordinate 9, 0, and point F on y-axis having coordinate 0, 9. So we draw a line passing through this point E and F. Now we have to check the feasible region. So for that we check for the point origin. So again this x plus y equals to 9 we take from the inequation x plus y less or equals to 9. So here we replace this x by 0, y by 0. So 0 plus 0, 0, and we know that 0 less than 9. Condition is satisfied. So we mark toward the origin here. Now in this way we get this common region. So common region is O, C, P, Q, B, O. So this is feasible region. So if you observe this point P is intersection of these two lines EF and CD, or you can say CD and EF intersect at point P, and line AB and line EF intersect at point Q. So these are the two new points. We have to find the coordinate of point P and Q. So first we mention here feasible region is O, C, P, Q, B, O. So we write here the feasible region is O, C, P, Q, B, O, which is shaded in the graph. So we see here with the help of this, we go O to C, C to P, then P to Q, then Q to B, then B to O. So this is feasible region. So we shaded here a feasible region. Now we have to write the corner points. So we write here the vertices of feasible region are. So first point is origin having coordinate 0, 0. Second point is C having coordinate 7, 0. Next point is P, which we have to find. Then point Q, which also we have to find. Then this point B having coordinate 0, 6. That means here first we have to find the coordinate of point P and coordinate of point Q. For point P is the intersection of this line CD and EF. That means we have to solve these two equations. From that we get the coordinate of point P. This Q is the intersection of line AB and AB and EF. So for finding the coordinate of point Q, we have to solve these two equations, equation for line AB and equation of line EF. So first we find the coordinate of point P. So we write here P is the point of intersection of the lines 3x plus y equals to 21 and x plus y equals to 9. So these are simple simultaneous equation. You can subtract these two equations. When we subtract these two equations, this y get eliminated. We get the value of x. So we write here this 3x plus y equals to 21 as equation number 1 and x plus y equals to 9 as equation number 2. On subtracting we get, so this y get cancelled when we change the sign of this second. So 3x minus x we get 2x, this plus y minus y get cancelled, 21 minus 9 we get 12. That means solving 1 and 2, or we can say subtract equation second from 1, we get x is equals to 6. Substitute x equals to 6 in equation number 2, we get, so we substitute this x equals to 6 in this second equation. We substitute x as 6, so 6 plus y equals to 9. So we write here 6 plus y equals to 9. So after transferring this 6 to right hand side, we get y equals to 3. Therefore P of 6, 0. Therefore we get here coordinate of point P as 6, 3. Now next we have to find the coordinate of point Q. So first we write Q is the intersection of the lines. So we write Q is the point of intersection of the lines. So first line is AB, its equation is x plus 4y equals to 24. So we write x plus 4y equals to 24 as equation number 3. Then next line is this EF has equation x plus y equals to 9. So we write x plus y equals to 9. So this is equation number 2. Now again here is variable x, in second equation also variable x. So we subtract equation second from third. So we write here on subtracting we get, we have to change the sign of equation number 2. So on subtracting we get this x get cancelled, 4y minus y we get 3y, 24 minus 9 we get 15. That means 3y equals to 15, we get y equals to 5. Substitute y equals to 5 in equation second, we substitute this y equals to 5 in equation number 2. So when we substitute this y by 5, we get x plus 5 equals to 9. So we write here x plus 5 equals to 9. Transfer this 5 to right hand side, we get 9 minus 5, which is 4. So x equals to 4. Therefore coordinate of point Q are 4, 5. Now once we know all the coordinates that is vertices of feasible region or corner points of this feasible region, we have to find the value of z. So we write here, therefore the corner points of the feasible region are: origin has coordinate 0 0, point C has coordinate 7 0, point P has coordinate 6 3, and point Q has coordinate 4 5, which we find and B of 0 6. The value of objective function z equals to 3x plus 5y at these corner points are. So we replace this x by 0, y by 0 for corner point origin. So 3 into 0 0, 5 into 0 0, so we get 3 into 0, 5 into 0 as 0 plus 0 equals to 0. Now we have to check for the point C. So z of C equals to, we replace this x by 7, y by 0. So 3 into 7 plus 5 into 0. So we get here 3 into 7 21, 5 into 0 0. So 21 plus 0 equals to 21. Now we check for the point P. So z of P equals to 3 into 6 plus 5 into 3. So we get here 3 6 are 18, 5 3 are 15. So 18 plus 15 33. Then we check point Q. So z of Q equals to 3 into 4 plus 5 into 5, that is 3 4s are 12, 5 5s are 25, that is 37. Now we find z of B, 3 into 0, because B has coordinate 0 6. So 3 into 0 plus 5 into 6, we get 0 plus 30 equals to 30. So here we get value 37, which is maximum value. That means at point Q we get maximum value, and coordinate of point Q are 4 5. So we write here, therefore z has maximum value 37 when x equals to 4 and y equals to 5. So in this way you have to find the maximum value.